What a beautiful day outside. I know, right? We never been outside in months. And we haven't been getting fresh air or anything. Yeah, I know. And it's not good for us. Hey, I have an idea. How about we go outside and do some fun activities? Like, lay outside, look at the clouds, and watch the birds fly all across the sky. How does that sound? Ooh, sounds good, Heather. Great, let's go outside. Okay, I'm with you. I'm right with you, Heather. Ooh, Heather was right. It is such a lovely day outside. Harmonie, are you still coming? Yes, Heather, I'm coming. Ah, what a lovely day outside. I know, right? Man, it's hot outside, but at the same time, the weather is beautiful. Yeah, you're telling me. Feels so good to get out of the house and take a nice long walk around the neighborhood. Yeah, same. I agree with you. Anyways, we're on our way to the park to go sit down on the grass and watch the birds, the clouds, the everything. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. All right, Harmonie, we found the perfect spot to watch the clouds and the birds. Come on, let's lay down. Yay! This grass is so comfortable. I know, right? Hey guys, what are you up to? Oh, hey Gazelle, we're just watching the birds and the clouds. Are you doing the same thing? Yeah, watching the birds and the clouds is so much fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to doing what I was doing, as usual, watching the birds and the clouds and everything. All right, Gazelle, you go have fun. So, Harmonie, is there something you want to talk about? Like anything? Ooh, I want to go over there and play at the park. Wait, you want to go play at the park? Yeah, come on. Let's go play at the park. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much things to do at the park. I don't know where should I play at first. The slide or the igloo thing, or climb the igloo thing. I don't know which one I should go on first. Ooh, how about the slide? I'm gonna go on the slide. 3, 2, 1, whee! Oh my gosh, that was fun. I want to go again. Gotta climb up the stairs. OMG. That was the best slide ever. Where should I go next? How about the rocks? Yeah, let's go over there to the rocks and climb over there like climbing a mountain. Ooh, so much fun. And I made it. Wait a minute. What the heck is that? OMG. That looks like a little birdie. And it's cute and colorful. OMG. Could it be that I found something rare the first time in my life? OMG. That bird is so beautiful. I gotta take this bird and show it to Heather. Heather, look what I found. Heather, look what I found. What did you find, Harmonie? I found this colorful bird that was sitting on the rocks while I was climbing them. Wait, a colorful bird? Let me see. Here, look at it. Ain't it adorable? Aww. This little colorful bird is beautiful. Aww. I think I should keep it as a pet. Wait, you want to do that? Yeah, I want to take it home and feed it. I love taking care of pets. Okay, let's go. Man, I can't wait to take care of this bird, feed it, name it. Going somewhere, guys? Huh? Hey, guys. What's up again? How you doing? Oh, hi, Gazelle. Hi, Gazelle. I'm about to take this new colorful pet bird home. Take it home and feed it water, everything. Woo! You found a pet bird? Good for you, Heather. Yeah, it's good. Me and the bird gonna have wonderful times together. Anyways, Gazelle, have a good day. Yeah, have a good day. All right, girls, you too. I'm gonna continue watching the clouds. Web Harmonie, that was such a nice outing we had. I know, right? It was so fun watching the birds fly and the clouds, and it was also fun playing at the park, especially when I went down the slide Ooh, you went down the slide? Yeah, it was so fun. I had to go down the slide like 10 times. Ooh, 10 times? Ooh, you must have had a blast. I did. Anyways, what should I name this bird? Should I name it Rainbow, Pastel, Cake, Cupcake? Ooh, how about you go with Pastel? Since this bird looks so colorful, you might as well name it Pastel. Not a bad idea, Harmony. Okay, Pastel indeed. So what's this bird gender? Oh, it's a girl. And I'm so glad it's a girl. So, Pastel, what do you want to do? We can do anything you want. Yeah, it can be anything. We can go back outside and slide on the slides. I had a blast there. Yeah, you want to do that? Ooh, what's that? You're hungry? Oh, cool. Okay, let me go fix you something to eat in the kitchen. Okay, Pastel, here's what I got. How about some zebra cakes? Don't you like zebra cakes? Wait, you don't like zebra cakes? Then what did you like? Oh, I know. How about rainbow goldfish? Rainbow goldfish crackers. I think Pastel will like that. Ooh, why didn't you say so? Let me open it up and pour it up. Okay, Pastel, eat up the goldfish rainbow crackers. Aw, she seems to like it. Yeah, she likes it so much. Aw, look at her singing. She's so adorable. Aw, good girl. You like those rainbow goldfish crackers, don't you? Hey, I'm gonna go eat some goldfish crackers. Yum 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 yum. Yummy. It's so tasty. You can only eat a few because that stuff is designed for the birds, like Pastel. So much good. Okay, Pastel, you full? I'll take that as a no. She's not full. Ooh, I have a brilliant idea. How about we go in your room and get some toys for Pastel? Ooh, that is a brilliant idea. I'll be right back. All right, Pastel. I bought you a lot of toys to play with. So, which toy do you want to play with? The purple slug? The big giant rainbow slug? The pink slug? The little shell thing? You do this up and down. The strawberry milk carton? You do the same thing, shake it up and down. Which toy do you want to play with, Pastel? That's okay. You could take your time. You don't have to rush. Yeah, you can pick out any toy you want. It's entirely up to you. Aw, she picked the rainbow slug. Don't you mean the pink slug? Oh yeah, right, the pink slug. Look at her, she's so cute. She's having so much fun playing with her toys. Yeah, I know, right? And she's even singing. Oh, so adorable. She's so cute when she sings. That means she's enjoying playing with her toys. She's even playing with that mermaid shell. stay in the milk carton. Okay, Pastel, while you play with your toys, I'm gonna go in Heather's room and set up a movie for us to watch. So if you want, you can bring your toys with you while we watch the movie, okay? Be right back. Aw, you cute little bird. I wish I could keep you forever and ever. I wonder what movie Harmonie is going to pick for us to watch. We'll have to find out. Okay, let's pick a movie to watch. Let's see. What are we going to watch? Let's go to history. Go to history. Let's pick a movie that Pastel's gonna like watching. Ooh, how about this one? Pastel's gonna like this. It's called Inanimate Insanity. Okay, it's time to get Pastel and Heather to watch the movie so we can watch the movie together. Okay, Harmonie, what did you pick to watch? I picked Inanimate Insanity. Inanimate Insanity? I thought we was gonna see My Little Pony. No, Heather, we've seen My Little Pony a million times. Come on, let's watch something different. Fine. I suppose the name of Sandy is not that bad. Yeah, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the movie. Ain't this such a good show? Yeah. See? Even Pastel like it. Right, Pastel? See, she said yes. She's just a bird. She can't talk. Whatever, just sit back and relax and enjoy the movie. Okay, fine. Oh my gosh, that was such a fun movie. Didn't you enjoy it, Heather? Actually, yes. Inanimate Sandy wasn't that bad. See? I told you would enjoy it. Yeah. Anyways, we had such a long, happy outing. I know, right? Yeah, we sit back, relax, and watch the clouds and the birds fly past the sky. Yep. I also went over there to the park to go play on the slides and climb rocks. Everything. It was so much fun. Yeah, you want to know what's so much funner is that I get to take this colorful bird home and name it Pastel. Not only that, me and Pastel also had a good time together. We fed her, gave her toys. We done everything. Yeah, Pastel is such a cute little bird. Ooh, I have an idea. What is it? Maybe someday we can introduce Pastel to our friends. OMG, that's such a good idea. No, it's a great idea. No, wait, a brilliant idea. Yeah, I wonder what the friends gonna think about Pastel. They're gonna think it's cute, adorable. Oh yeah, you're right about that. Yeah.